from here, move back to the rope, send the person down, pulling a little bit to you, it will be good because you will be in a good position. Let's say you put the gun in the holster, grab, lift. Big step and drag it down. Here you are usually better off than here. But sometimes you need this one also. This is very good control. Like this, I can have two hands and be free. This one, it can be a little bit more problematic to have two free hands. Yes, I still have to control. But this one, I'm in much better position. I have more weight. If he's resisting or fighting, I can jump backwards better. I've got a little bit better control of the person. And when all my weight is on one point on the shoulder blade area, he's much more limited than when I'm with two legs on him, with my weight distributed, with his pushing and maybe pushed away. That's the thing. Okay, that's the idea.